Okay, so hi Bharat, how are you doing?
I'm doing really good.
Great to hear that. So Bharat, what I'm going to do is I will be asking you a couple of questions. We would just like to get some feedback from you.
Yeah.
So yeah. So Bharat, how did you come to know about our website and what did you want to learn from the enrolled course?
Well, actually, it was during the lockdown session where our work from home started. I had a lot of time to spend. So what I
Okay.
did is I wanted to do a course. So I was
Mm-hmm.
searching all the Google. I was Googling around, and when I
Mm-hmm.
was scrolling through the Instagram, I
Mm-hmm.
came to see this EduBridge ad, and I was
Okay.
so curious about it. So I went into the
Yeah.
website, and it was like the course I wanted to do it. Like I went through the modules,
Mm.
and it was like it was the apt course I wanted to, and I registered.
Great.
The inquiry form. I filled out the inquiry form,
Mm.
and the people from EduBridge called me. Then, without any second thoughts, I joined.
That's great. Okay. Um, how has your overall experience been so far with the online training? And in fact, Bharat, what have you learned from the online training where you could also apply that even at, your work?
Yeah, first of all, this EduBridge is the first online course which I have
Yeah.
attended. The rest we
Yeah.
do is face to face, go to the class,
Correct.
everything. This is the first
Right.
online class, and also the course was very good because I have 3+ years experience in the BPO sector,
Mm.
but there are lot many things which I didn't know.
Wow.
But through
Okay.
this course, it was like the trainer Bernadette, she
Yes.
made sure that I was taught everything in the course, every activities, every modules. It was like
Okay.
I think I'm very confident to like even for the interview, even to like
Hmm.
it's like nobody will say no to me if I go for an interview.
Because
That much
Bharat, I can
confidence.
even correct, and I can see, in fact, when you mention the confidence, I can actually see the confidence level in you.
Yeah, because
Yes.
before I was not like this. I was so shy. I don't talk in English. My language was so poor. And also, but
Hmm.
now I can't imagine how much I have changed. And also people around me also says that there is change in you, Bharat. So it boosts my confidence and also I'm very happy about it.
Super, because I think I'd attended, Bharat, if you remember, one of your sessions. And in fact, I also told Bernadette the way you were interacting with her. So it is amazing because if you are looking out for a career in the BPO and when you can interact like that, so it's amazing to see you emerge confident. So that's really good, Bharat. Keep that up. It's
Thank you
amazing
so
to
much.
see that.
Yeah.
And how do you think, apart from confidence, Bharat, has this course overall shaped you as a person?
Yes, because even though as I told, even though I'm the BPO sector, I didn't know
Yes.
how this appraisal, this
Mm,
organizational
mm,
methods,
mm,
or the methodologies, how it was like how it worked. So through this course, I came to know like I got an idea how this BPO sector
mm,
works because I BPO is this sector is my first job, and the exposure I got in the organization was less, but in this
mm.
course it was more, and I have clear idea where to look, how to focus, and how the track also I have set the
Yeah,
track. Yeah,
great.
and yeah,
So, can I say that, kind of it has shaped you in terms of clarity and focus?
yes, yes.
Super. Great. Okay. Um, how, or rather, which part of the course did you find the most interesting, Bharat? And how did you also find our Learn by Yourself module?
Well, the course which was interesting was the English section,
Hmm.
where the phonetics, the vowels, the how we
Okay.
pronounce everything. It was the course was actually fun. That part was fun, and it was like
Great.
it also made me like the way I speak to you now.
Yes.
I don't, yeah, the way I speak to you, the words I use,
Hmm.
it's entirely different how I used to do it before. So the English session and the core
Hmm.
BPO, the core
Hmm.
BPO,
Hmm.
like
Hmm.
it helped me to understand what BPO is. And
Okay.
the self modules, yes, it was very much informative because
Hmm.
the, you know, it was like I knew some of the things,
Yes.
but
Yes.
but in depth, I didn't know.
Okay. Okay.
The illustrations, the videos, the activities, everything,
Yes.
it helped me to understand more about it.
Okay. Great.
Yeah.
Okay. And what can we do overall, kind of apart from whatever experience you have? Do you have any suggestions for us to make, kind of the training experience even better going ahead?
I felt one, no, one, I
Hmm.
felt two things. One
Okay.
is the some of the modules I find like when I was going through the Excel, PowerPoint, and everything,
Yes. Yes.
when I get activities to do, the Excel which I had and the Excel which was taught to me, like the software difference, like it was
Okay.
an older
Okay.
version. So there is nothing much like it's like a suggestion only, like update.
Right.
Like we
Okay.
need to,
Okay.
yeah, that's it. So
Okay.
as per the like current softwares and everything, like we need to change and update in the modules. The rest, everything is good. And also, I'm a Malayali and
Yes.
I know English, but some of the videos it was in full Hindi.
Okay. Okay.
So I would suggest you guys to have two type of videos. So one for the people who understands Hindi very much, and also
Okay.
one for the people who doesn't know Hindi. But I understand Hindi, therefore it was
Yes.
easy for it was okay for me to. If I get in doubt, I'll ask Bernadette to stop it, and she'll explain it to me.
Correct.
So those are the two
Okay.
things I have felt.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, Bharat, for your valuable feedback. Thanks a lot for that.
Yeah,
We'll definitely keep this in mind. Thank you for that.
thank you.
And apart from that, Bharat, would you like to share anything else with us?
Well, to be honest, you have very good trainers. Okay,
Thank you.
I have first I think this was Bernadette, and when she went on leave, Vani and Shweta
Yes.
Bellan. Those two are very good and very patient. They have very good patience.
Yes.
No, when I was like Bernadette have very good patience, and the way she talk,
Yes.
like way she teaches, it's really good. Like she never misses any activity, she never misses any assignments, homework. She assign everything to me, and she will make sure that I get it.
In fact, through that, you can actually see the amount of confidence that you have today,
Yes.
through all of that. So it's great to hear that. And thank you so much
Yeah, I
for that.
feel chills because I'm so
Yeah.
happy about it.
Great, great. And Bharat, would you recommend EduBridge and its courses to your friends
Definitely,
and
definitely,
relatives?
because the knowledge I have now, people around me doesn't have that much.
Yes.
Because through EduBridge, I came to know about different things in the
Hmm.
BPO sector. But
Hmm.
as far as my other colleagues, they some of them it's their first job and they don't know anything about it. It's like they have to learn
Yeah.
from the experience, and also from
Right.
experience, it may take time.
Right. Right.
So I would definitely suggest EduBridge, definitely. And I have told many of my friends where
Super.
because
Super.
because when people call me, I'll be like, hey, don't call me from 2 to 5. I'm the class. What class? Then
Yeah.
EduBridge, they are very curious to know about it. What class? What is the like modules? I have shared the link and everything.
Great.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for your time, Bharat. Thanks a lot. Stay happy. All the best in your future. I am sure you will do extremely well and keep that, kind of smile on your face. You've got a lovely smile. So
Thank
keep
you.
smiling, stay safe, and stay healthy. Thanks a lot for your time.
Thank you,
Thank
Armin.
you.
Thank you so much.